Hey everyone, welcome back. Maybe a little surprised to see this ticker up here, but we're going to take a little dive into it. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's see what we can chart up here on Bed Bath & Beyond. What I'll be looking at is this trend that we've had on the hourly, including a false breakout in the pre-market. I'd look for Bed Bath & Beyond to come up, test it as resistance. If it breaks through, it'd possibly come back down, test the support, and then you'd see some kind of push. It's not going to be a big push. This isn't some really strong trend line, but it would give you an idea of different moves that you may see coming later on today. And then I would also, for today, an area of resistance that we would be looking at would be right there, right at that $1.34 range. It was support back in February. Then it turned resistance. You can see it's very strong resistance. So I'd be looking for it to come back up and test that as well, and then possibly push above from there. Past that, the next trend line I'd be looking at would be right here, $1.65. I'd look for that to be resistance also. Support back here, turn resistance, stayed resistance. So we would have to break that level, and then I could see some better moves coming at that point, especially because right at that level is where we have a little volume pocket. So we really could see some speed getting up to that 181. We could see a pretty quick move. There's just been no trading in there. Um, the more you zoom out, the bigger that volume pocket gets, but also the bigger this volume shelf gets right there at 150, which 150 is going to be just a psychological view anyway. And then looking at the implied volatility on the options, I do have some options on Bed Bath & Beyond. They're actually up 15% today. Reason being is these options, the implied volatility is increasing. And you can see every time it increases, that big move ends up happening. And put volume is going to go up on those big moves, obviously, but call volume is staying pretty flat right now. But the implied volatility is increasing. So the options are becoming more expensive now. So Bed Bath & Beyond, I actually do like the look of it. I really want to keep an eye on this trend line and see what happens from here. So hopefully everybody gains something from that, and this will be a pretty interesting one to watch. So we'll get another one up later today. See you guys.